Hello, everyone. Hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. This weekend, we decided to sort of travel towards the Saudi border. So that's the Hilton Salwa Beach Resort. And we drove around from Doha. It will take you around 1 hour at least, minimum, to reach the resort, which is a Hilton-owned resort. And then right next to the resort, there's a massive water park. It's called Desert Falls. Amazing. One of the best probably, and we are waiting for the Maha Island one to open up, but this one is quite good with fantastic, thrilling, exciting rides. And obviously next to it is the beautiful Salwa Beach Resort, which is has a really beautiful beach, obviously, and next to it is a amazing resort with great rooms, great deals, many corporate deals as well. So if you work in one of the sort of good companies or government organizations, you get good deals on the Salwa Beach resort, which is like a room for maybe 1,000 something for a night with breakfast included, and with that you get access to the beach, access to the pool, and you also get passes to the adventure park, the water park. So yeah, if you see at the far, you'll see the water slides, and so we've almost reached there. It's probably now 5 minutes away. So we're still driving through, and if you go further down, it's just the Saudi border. So it's probably another half an hour drive and you reach the Saudi border. But obviously we've taken a right and going towards Hilton, and you'll see towards, if you look towards the far, there's the white building. Really amazing architecture they've made, and gives like a sort of a Mykonos, Greece style architecture with a white and a blue theme, and then you'll notice the big water slides which are right next to the hotel. So yeah, finally wrapping it up and moving towards our room to stay the night, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed the video.